Alright guys, welcome to my What to Do channel. Today we're going to go over painting a rim without using any tape. It's really difficult to paint rims sometimes and to tape them off. And sometimes you just want to get the job done quickly and have it look nice without having to go through all this taping and stuff. I get it, because taping is boring and it takes forever. But I'm going to show you a trick that I do where I can paint the rims without any tape or anything and have a nice clean finish. So the first thing you're going to need is a small piece of tape. It's the only tape you're going to need. Or if you don't want to tape up the valve stems, you could just tape over them, but I do recommend one small piece of tape. Take your tape, stick it up on your valve stem there. Now you're going to need a can of WD-40. Now you want to be very careful you do not spray this on the rim as you're doing it, because the paint will not stick to those areas. So what you want to do is go really lightly. Alright, and try to hold it down as light as you can, and you want to run a small bead around there. Alright, now what this is doing, that's just giving the tire a oily base so that the paint is not going to stick to it. You could probably even get away with Armor All too if you don't want to use the WD-40. Alright. Alright, so that just gives it a little coating on the base. Alright, now you can take your paint can and paint away. And this is where you would typically tape these outside edges, because you want to get a nice clean finish on your rim there. Okay, now you can see you have this paint all over your tire. Get yourself a nice clean rag and a can of gum cutter. Now this is very important too. You don't want to spray it on the rim because you'll ruin the paint you just did. Push in really lightly. Really, really lightly. Alright, now you want to take your rag, and careful you don't get the rag on the rim. Put it on the edge there and just run it around like so. Alright, now we're going to take another coat here. Now again, this isn't a recommended way to do it, but if you're one of them impatient people that just wants to do it done and you don't really care too much about the perfection of it, this is a good technique. And there you have it. Alright, there is a couple little spots like right there if you wanted to get a Q-tip or something and some gum cutter, but it sure takes all that time out of trying to tape that, and maybe you don't have any tape, but that's the way you paint a rim without any tape if you're in a rush. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I do videos daily, and I'll see you next time.